Hey friends, if you encounter the issue where your computer crashes while playing games on Windows, then please watch this video. I will guide you through the resolutions. Now, the first and most obvious solution is to check the system requirements. How? Let us say that I need to play this game Valorant. So I will simply Google Valorant system requirements for PC. Okay, and then I will check whether the system requirements are complete or not. Let's say Intel Core 2 Duo processor, Intel HD 4000, a certain GPU, 4 GBs of RAM, and at least 8 GB free and all. But these are minimum system requirements. You may not be able to play a game successfully with merely these system requirements. Think of it that to play Valorant, you need at least 8 GB of RAM to play it properly, and the GPU needs to be at least Ryzen 7 or i7. Even an i5 CPU would not be sufficient. So plan accordingly. These are minimum system requirements, and then there are something called as recommended ones. So try to shift to the recommended specifications. Like these are recommended specifications, but they usually say that keep it higher than the recommended specifications as well. The next solution is to check for the air vents. Now, how would you check for the air vents? So, when you are playing games on your computer, it generates a lot of heat, and this heat is pushed out of the system through the air vents, the fans, and make sure that they are clear and that there is no obstruction to it, and that you are in a relatively cooler room because it generates a lot of heat. So you need something to vent out the heat. Then the next solution is to update the graphics card drivers. How would you update the graphics card drivers? Search for device manager in the Windows search bar and open device manager. Now expand the list for display adapters. Right click on the first one, update graphics card drivers. Right click on the second one, update graphics card drivers. The last solution is a clean boot. So how would you clean boot? Search for system configuration in the Windows search bar and open system configuration. Go to the services tab. Check the box associated with hide all Microsoft services. If any other service is checked, click on disable all, click on apply, OK, and then restart your computer. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel. If not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.